Smartwatches remain popular, but there's a new wearable sheriff in town in the form of a smart ring. These rings are worn around your finger index, middle, or ring. But the real question is whether these smart rings can replace smartwatches. To know the answer, watch till the end because it's not what you might expect. What you might expect. 1. Ringcon Gen 2 Air. The Ringcon Gen 2 Air features a smooth, square shape that may look odd, but I found it to be the most comfortable smart ring that I wore during all my testing. The sensor domes are significantly larger compared to all other smart rings I tested. I also noted that this was hands down the most durable ring I tested. And there's the app-based workout feature. In order to track workouts, you need to open the app and mark what you're doing if it's anything aside from walking. It tracks steps and activity levels in general. But if you want more accurate workout statistics, you'll feel underwhelmed with this ring. 2. Samsung Galaxy Ring. The Samsung Galaxy Ring I is the first of its kind from Samsung, and that's what makes it a unique entry into the smart ring field. The rest of the smart ring picks were built for both iOS and Android users, but the Samsung Galaxy Ring has features that were designed expressly for Samsung users. That's both a good and bad thing, but more on that in a second. The design uses a concave shape to reduce the ring's footprint on your finger and feels very comfortable after months of wear. My only beef with the build is that the shade I received, black, has visible wear and tear. It's not the end of the world, but if you're worried about your ring looking shabby, I recommend considering the other colors that Samsung offers. Seamless integration with Samsung's Health app. Samsung runs on the Samsung Health app, and the ring pairs seamlessly with this. Sure, you can pair it with another Android phone, especially if you're a Pixel user like I have been lately. But to get the most out of it, you'll want to set it up with your Samsung device. 3. ARA Ring 4. Underneath most smart rings, you'll find some form of sensor domes that measure your health metrics. The ARA Ring 4 reduces the sensor's footprint so that they're essentially flush, which I found impressive. One of my biggest gripes about the ring? Its durability. If you're planning to use this during hardcore workouts or while scrubbing sinks, this is not the ring for you. During testing, I found that the gold colorway had deep marks on the device. However, its twin, the RA Ring for Ceramic, is built from ceramic and is more durable. The ring requires a subscription to unlock all the features. I get why most people pay it because it does feel valuable. But at the same time, subscription fatigue has fully set in for me. And if the cost per year was any higher than the $70 annual fee, I don't think I would pay it. So here's the answer. Are smart rings replacing smartwatches? Not quite. Smart rings excel at health tracking, comfort, and battery life, while smartwatches still win when it comes to notifications, apps, and everyday interaction. Now, here's the question. If you could only use one wearable for the next 3 years, would you choose a smart ring or a smartwatch? Comment, ring or watch below. Want to see which one wins? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.